You're watching KO episode number 64 and you're a passenger in Ben's truck. Have a taste of that. I guess you remembered how trucks need to always be passed, but be careful with your actions because if you mess up, truck always wins. Tom was properly speeding up on the acceleration lane, but seems like his estimation of the truck's speed was a little off. If he would have dared to squeeze in, he might never again dare to do anything. It's the same story over and over again about stronger and weaker vehicles. And there are various ways to endanger yourself with a weaker vehicle. On the bike, on such a road without any lights, people simply have no idea how dangerous they are living doing such a thing. Or maybe they're really asking for it. Some people seem to need a good shot of adrenaline to stay alive, and they only get it by doing stupid stuff that endangers the same life. If this guy keeps riding like that, it won't take too long until his components find a new owner. He certainly just needed his shot, because afterwards he's going back to a more normal riding style. Standing at the red light, you recognize those tracks to the left. Those tracks are for a tram. And it's also the official lane for everybody who wants to bypass people to run a red light.
DSI. So what's actually going on here? How does this hack actually work?
This went by pretty fast. We gotta take a look at this again because this clip shows more of a dirty scumbag than it looks at first. Our man flashed at the Mercedes for his late and dangerous passing, so while steering back onto his lane, the Mercedes steered back to our side and flashed back. A stupid and dangerous kind of caveman revenge for what? I just deeply hate such disgusting motherfuckers on the road. Those people kill others with such actions. Our man then took a break at the bus station to relax for a moment, and the car behind him stopped as well to check for him. Nice move, maybe the two can form an alliance against this scumbag. The video we got was not beginning earlier than this, so here you see properly what's up.
Ja, das muss jetzt unbedingt sein mit seinem Trecker, ne? Das ist wieder typisch Bauer, ne?
Ja.
Hinter mir war doch frei, hätte er doch machen können.
Yeah, the farmer did mess up, but you get to see this with everybody and every kind of vehicle, being oblivious as much as ever possible. Like here, an even worse case with the car.
Alter, du hast sie doch nicht mehr alle.
Or like here, completely ignoring priority to right. Doesn't really matter who it is and what kind of vehicle he's driving, it's all just about mentality. Some people just don't give a shit, and a vehicle isn't even needed to showcase this problematic mentality. Mentality is a big asset in traffic, and many people are not driving very badly because they are making a mistake, but on purpose for some stupid reasons that are beyond any sane logic. So here we got a speed limit of 100 kph. The black car keeps driving at 100 for a while now, and then he switches lane after having passed the truck. And the silver car wants to pass him now. For whatever reason, the black car does not want to let him pass, so he keeps accelerating. So our driver should have been able to see how those guys are messing with each other. So what kind of an idea is it to now cross the straight line to aggressively overtake those people now? It certainly isn't a good idea. We got no indication at any point what's the matter with those two drivers, but the beef keeps on steaming. They are in front of us again, the black car in the middle, and the silver one seems to be intending to deliver some kind of revenge with a swerve. This is a very ridiculous kindergarten story going on here, only with the difference that those idiots are pushing around tons of steel. And they are not only endangering themselves, but everybody around too. And still not over yet. Meanwhile, our driver thought it would be a good idea to pass those people again, and here in the jam, we got the black car behind us, and he seems to be just waiting for the silver one to come up. Oh boy, the facepalm meter jumps off its scale. Where the hell are the cops in such moments? I can only give you the advice to stay away from such people. You don't want to become part in their medieval game, do you? So, I was asking for the cops. There we got him. Problem is, cops are pulling over drivers for tailgating because not keeping your safety distance is not only a serious offense, but also one of the main reasons for really bad crashes. So why in the name of the cookie crumbs are those cops tailgating us in this ridiculous fashion? It doesn't seem like they are on an active mission, or like they have any actual reason to either follow us closely or need to desperately go faster. Yes, I understand, cops are only people too, and in many cases, people don't feel like they are too close. But seriously, we are talking about supposed professionals here. Cops have to know about the dangers of tailgating and which distance needs to be kept. Those cops again and again are so close that we are talking about the loss of driving license and coercions, which is a criminal offense. And while everybody breaks the rules in a small fashion here and there, I do too, safety distance at high speeds is a serious matter, and cops need to deal with fatal car crashes, many of which are happening because of just what those officers here are doing. Let's watch a nice cop scene for a change. I guess oncoming traffic got a little bit of a red light. Here on the freeway, 2 lanes merge into one, and cars are supposed to enter like a zipper. There's already 2 cars merging in front of us, but the car to our left rear wants to get in front of us as well. I am suggesting patience pills, $8.99. The driver of the little Ford Fiesta could also use some of those. First, he cuts us off with very little distance. And why does he do that? Because goddamn monkey brain. There is exit, must take exit.
Und jetzt noch rüber, und jetzt noch rüber, und jetzt noch rüber. Boah, du hast doch echt einen an der Waffel. Du hast doch echt so einen... Dich hat man doch als Kind vom Wickeltisch geschmissen, Alter.
Alright, I don't think we're getting any more creative today, so I am ordering you to either check out episode 45 you see to the left, or pick another one from the playlist you see to the right side. You got it? Alright, see you soon, pal.